You guys are going to want to make this orange cream loaf cake with strawberries just as soon as you can because it's really, really yummy. To make the cream cheese layer that runs through the middle of the cake, it is cream cheese, some heavy cream, orange zest, orange juice, and a little touch of almond extract, and then you set that aside. Next up, we're going to make the cake batter. Butter, plenty of butter, some sugar, cream that all together. That takes a few minutes because you want it light and fluffy, and don't forget to scrape down the sides of the bowl. Then to that, we're going to add 3 eggs. After the addition of the eggs, blend it again. Take your time, do it well. And then you want to add some Greek yogurt. That's going to give a little bit of tang and extra moistness to this cake. Again, blend it and scrape down the sides of the bowl. And now fresh orange juice. Plenty of it. Another blend, another scrape, and then we're ready for the dry ingredients. Flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt. Whisk it all together. I almost forgot the vanilla extract for the cake, but I didn't. And then in increments, add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, making sure not to over mix them because then the cake will become a little too dense. Once all the cake batter is blended together and mixed well together, prepare the strawberries by dicing them into kind of small bits, and then to prevent the strawberries from falling to the bottom of the cake as they bake, you're going to want to toss them with about a tablespoon of flour just to coat them. And what that does is it gives them a little extra gumption to stay within the batter and not sink. So you gently fold those strawberries into that cake batter, and then we are going to prepare the loaf pan. I used parchment paper and some, actually they're baking clips, but they're metal, so they're oven safe. And then, but you don't have to. You can also just liberally spray your standard loaf pan with baking spray. So put half of the strawberry cake batter into the bottom of the loaf pan, making sure it's a nice even layer, and into the corners. And then from there, you're going to top that layer with the cream cheese orange mixture that we mixed up a little earlier. And once that has a nice even layer, then you're going to top it once again with the remaining cake batter and strawberries. And again, make sure it's nice and even and smooth on top. And then we're just about ready to bake. It goes into the oven at 350 degrees. My oven has been preheating. You want to preheat your oven for at least a good 20 minutes to a half an hour. So into the preheated oven, this cake will go. And I put it on a baking sheet just to make it easier to get it in and out of the oven. For me, if it's not easier for you, you don't have to do that. So yeah, slide it into the middle rack of the preheated oven, and it's going to bake for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, check on it, and if the cake looks like it's browning too much, cover it with foil, and then pop it back into the oven to continue baking it's gonna bake for a total of like an hour and a half. So while the cake is cooling, you're gonna make your orange glaze, which is sifted powdered sugar to get all the lumps out, some orange juice, some orange zest again, plenty of nice orange flavor in this recipe, and a little touch of vanilla extract. I don't know if you noticed, but before you could see me lift the cake out of the pan with the parchment paper strips. That works really, really well. But again, you don't have to use the parchment paper. So you're gonna want a nice kind of loose pourable consistency for your icing. And once the cake is fully cooled, you're going to drizzle this over the cake, making sure to let it kind of, fall over the sides to make it really pretty. And then from there, all I did was garnish with some orange slices and some strawberry halves. And it was so good. The cake is moist and tender and really packed with flavor. I hope you like this recipe.
Follow me for more easy, tasty recipes. See you next time.